Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your computer, your laptop or whatever if it's slowing down while you're on Shotcut. This is going to be a simple, easy video, a short video. Please like so that I can get to help other people, and maybe subscribe. I do a lot of tutorials to do with Shotcut plus a lot of others, so if you could help me there please. I'm on a long way to go to 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, what I'm going to see you now is my laptop has slowed down, as you'll hear while it's playing. See that? It's going dit. Now put it on pause before you do this, otherwise you know it might crash. But pause the video, get to settings, and here get a real-time frame dropping. Then it just lowers the frames so your computer can handle it. Now let's press play. It'll speed up now. It's not showing any subscribers there, but it's showing it goes in the first 3 digits, so every time it gets 100 subscribers, so it's working now. As we seen earlier, every second day is on. Simple, easy. Pause the video, go up to settings, go down to frame dropping, and also what you can do is here, go up to here. I'm going to be making another video on this, but go down to video mode, and here, while you're making the videos, drop it to the bottom 720 by 50, and then once you've finished, then if you want to upload it, you know, in the top HD before you export it, then change it back to that. In the meantime, just keep it down there and the frame drop. So hope that helped you. Please like and subscribe, maybe share. Thank you. You all take care. Catch you on the rebound.